Today we're going to add some carbon fiber to the rear of our 2018 Mustang Cheese Whiz with a carbon fiber overlay taillight panel from ACCELATEC. This taillight panel overlay is quick and easy to install and requires no tools as it'll stick over your factory panel. This is made of real carbon fiber with a high gloss finish and is going to fit all 2015 through 2020 Mustangs. First thing we're going to do is just sort of check the fitment. You can see it fits, actually lines up perfectly with the panel that's on the car. Now, I should mention, if you have your factory panel and the emblem in the middle, you will have to either break the tabs and remove the emblem or remove the panel and break the tabs off from the back. Our panel here obviously is a delete panel, and as you can see, this is a product we actually looked at carrying from the manufacturer years ago. This was a prototype. Obviously, we never picked this product up due to the quality here. So this cover is going to be the perfect part to clean up this look. First thing I'm going to do is just clean along these edges here. Our tape's going to go. I'll grab the adhesion promoter included. Just wipe this along the edges here. Just anywhere you might put tape. And do the same thing on your factory panel. We can start applying our double stick tape. Peel back enough of an edge so you can get a grip on it to pull the tape off. Now the middle pieces, obviously you're going to have to remove the whole thing, so there's no way to get to them. Just don't press down in the middle, pull the panels in place. Start by lining up the top section here. Apply pressure throughout the whole panel here, and your installation is finished. The ACCELATEC carbon fiber panel looks great on the back of the car and adds a nice custom touch, and it's a very easy installation. There's no clips, no screws to mess with. Simply stick it over the factory panel. Now you might notice a small additional gap on this side. That is not the fault of the ACCELATEC panel. That was an issue with the original panel. Again, one of the many reasons we don't carry that. As far as installation goes, give yourself about 20 minutes or so. Back on the road in no time.